Hey guys, we're here. We got a package from Lil Fuzz, so Amber is going to open that up. I'm not showing my face because I did not put on makeup and I am very tired right now. There is a little Remy who is who's attacking Amber. So, okay, Amber, go ahead and open up and see what we have.
Very well wrapped is what we got. So much bubble wrap.
All the bubble wrap. Remy's like, I'm gonna eat that.
Yeah, I'm trying to move it so it doesn't fall into
like,
heavy territory.
I will eat that.
Alright, there should be 2 boxes in here. One is for the channel, I believe is this one. Oh no. This is where.
Oh, do I need the scissors?
Good.
In hindsight, I should have been like, and here's Remy over here.
Yeah, instead you get frantic flailing. Okay, Little Fuzz uses. Wow. This is okay. I know child-proof, but this is amber-proof.
I need you to make a dexterity check.
I'm very dexterous. Can it be athletic?
That's a lie. You're a real life rogue. Shenanigans. For those who are curious, that's Remy's blanket in the background. I feel like in hindsight we should have opened more things before like starting this.
This is pretty on brand though. This is
Yeah, that's true.
Amber getting foiled by bubble wrap is like you'd think I play the character oblivious, but no. Okay.
Ooh.
You see this? It's gonna look better when we get all that saran wrap off.
That's amazing. Look at Punchy dabbing. All right.
We got some rooms there. And carefully.
Yeah, careful.
This is, and Lil Fuzz made these, by the way.
Yeah.
He stopped giving me previews after a certain point.
All right. If you want, you can put that on the table, and then you can start.
So it slides open.
Ooh, very nice. That D20 looks so dope.
And I believe this is made to hold a, I forget the specific size, but like a bullet journal. So
Oh,
if you
cool.
want to put your game notes, and otherwise you can use it as a dice tray as you roll your dice. Otherwise this is gonna fit so many dice.
So many dice.
So
Or like a quarter of Nat's collection.
yes. Let's be honest, just Annabelle's collection.
And Corgo butt.
Corgi, show the people what they want. Corgi butt. Go. Butt bread. We're just starting with violence this time. We learned a lesson.
Do I want another donut?
Yes, this is why I brought a whole box. You can't ever just have one donut.
So what she's opening now is a gift specifically for her.
Which I believe you got the snake cakes on this one.
I did.
Scandal.
I know what it is.
Oh, that's a quarter. I I love the stain on this one. I do like my darks, my dark colors. Oh my god! Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, I gotta get the saran wrap off of this to show this. I just have a lot of feelings about Hawkeye, okay? This is beautiful, little fuzz. And this is so well done. Holy cow, look at that. That's beautiful.
That's gorgeous. You should open it.
I should. The latches are really cool on this. Oh my gosh, check out that. It's a dice tray.
Mm-hmm.
And that's some purple. Excellent, excellent. It's like he... Yes. Little Fuzz, you are the best. Oh, wow.
Uh-huh.
Wow. That is gorgeous. Look at that. Little Fuzz, thank you so much. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh.
All right. These are amazing, Lil Fuzz. Thank you again. Thank you so much. I didn't catch the heart hands. No,
okay,
no,
okay.
there you go. All right, so we'll probably edit this. Maybe not. Probably not. We're just going to upload a 6-minute video, some change. So, okay, we love you guys. Bye.